Hi, ninth class. Today, in the last class, we discussed exercise 2.2 last questions. But some of you said to me, sir, we didn't know about the zero of a polynomial like that. Okay, I forgot to say that one before that. So, we have to go for zeros of a polynomial. Heading, see that one. Zeros of a polynomial. So, what is zeros of a polynomial? One time see. In general, we say that a zero of a polynomial, P of x is the value of x for which P of x equal to 0. This is the definition of zeros of a polynomial. In general, we say that a zero of a polynomial P of x, the value of x for which P of x value equal to 0. అంటే P of x value కనుక 0 అయితే x value దగ్గర అప్పుడు ఈ x వాల్యూని ఏమంటామంటే zeros of the polynomial అని అంటాం. దానికి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చూద్దామండి. See one example here. P of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. Example, P of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. This is a given quadratic polynomial. Find the value of P of x at some values given already, 0 and 1. Find P of 0 comma P of 1. What are the zeros of the given polynomial? So, first conclusion, let us see solution. Given P of x is equal to given polynomial P of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. Yet x equal to 0. Why? Because here we need to find P of 0 and P of 1. So, at x equal to 0, that implies P of 0 equal to 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 4. Simple substitution, that is 0 plus 5 into 0 is nothing but 0 plus 4, which is 4. P of 0 equal to how much? 4. At x equal to 1, P of 1 is equal to, substitute in the given polynomial, 1 power 4, 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 4. 1 square value is 1 plus 5 plus 4. We get 10. So, P of 1 is equal to 10. Here P of 0 equal to 4, P of 1 equal to 10. Here we didn't get the 0 value. So that hence 0 comma 1 are not the zeros of the given polynomial P of x. 0 అను 1 అనేది P of x కి zeros కావు. ఇంకొక వాల్యూ కూడా కనుక్కుందామండి. P of minus 1 వస్తుందో లేదో చెక్ చేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ ద P of minus 1 whole square, substitute in given polynomial minus 1 whole square, 5 into minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 whole square is minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. 1 plus into minus, minus 5 plus 4. You get 5 minus 5, which is 0. Hence, P of minus 1 equal to 0. ఇక్కడ 0 వచ్చిందా లేదండి? సో కాబట్టి when P of, for what value of x we get 0, this value is said to be zeros of the given polynomial. So, out of the three values, minus 1 is the one of the zeros of p of x. Other zero also there because it is quadratic polynomial. So every quadratic polynomial has two zeros. Cubic polynomial has three zeros, like that. So p of minus 1 equal to 0. Hence, what we give the conclusion? Hence, minus 1 is the zero of given polynomial p of x. This is that one. In the same pattern, you have to do the problems in the page number 33. So there are nearly 6 problems are there. Find the value of each of the following polynomials for indicated value of the variables. Value of polynomial we need to find. For first problem, p of x is equal 4x square minus 3x plus 7 at x equal to 1. We need to find the value of p of 1. Same like next problem, y is equal to 1. Next value at a t equal to p. Next value at z equal to 1. Next problem at x equal to 1. Next problem z equal to 2. All of you see the page number 33 in the textbook. Do all the problems in the same pattern. Okay children, one time just take the photo, screenshot for this one. All of you take screenshot or write the notes. That is the better way. Okay children. Now, and go through the problems in the page number 33. Now, go through the page number 34. Example 1 problems are there. Same model. Example 1. P of x is equal to x plus 2. Find p of 1, p of 2, p of minus 1, p of minus 2. What are the zeros of p of x plus 2? That means p of x. Same model, you have to do the problem example 1. Second problem is little bit different, I will say to you. Okay children? So, you have to do the problems in page number 33. Do these problems and example 1 in 34 page. Now we are going to discuss example 2 problem. Find the zero of a polynomial p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. This model is not there. Okay, I will say this problem. Very simple one. Example 2 model problem. Find the zero of a polynomial. Find the zero of a polynomial p of x. Example 2. Find the zero of a polynomial p of x equal to 3x plus 1. This problem, we need to find the zero of the polynomial. According to previous definition, in general, p of x is a polynomial. For what value of x? P of x equal to 0, then x is said to be the zero of the polynomial. So, here we need to find the zero of the polynomial. Solution. Given polynomial p of x equal to 3x plus 1. This is the p of x. What is the zero of the polynomial like that asked here? So that means to get zeros of p of x, to get the zeros of p of x be equated to 0. అంటే p of x యొక్క జీరో రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? p of x ని జీరోకి సమానం చేసుకోవాలి. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ p of x? 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 equated to 0. 3x is equal plus 1 transpose to that side, it becomes minus 1. That is 0 minus 1, nothing but minus 1. X equal to minus 1 by 3. So hence the zero of the polynomial is how much ma? Minus 1 by 3. ఒకసారి వెరిఫికేషన్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చండి. వెరిఫికేషన్, బట్ దిస్ వెరిఫికేషన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ నెససరీ, బట్ యువర్ సేక్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు సే ద వెరిఫికేషన్. p of x 3x plus 1. What we get the value here? 0 of the polynomial minus 1 by 3. Substitute here p of minus 1 by 3. 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 ones, 3 ones. 1 into minus 1, minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 are cancel, 0. So P of minus 1 by 3 equal how much came? 0. Hence, minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial. In the same pattern, you have the problems in the page number third Roman ma. Third Roman, exercise 2.2, third Roman, same problems. Sorry, not third, fourth Roman. Fourth Roman problems, all are the same pattern problems. One time all of you open the textbook page number 36 and 37. First Roman easy, second Roman easy, third Roman easy. Third Roman ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే వెరిఫై వెదర్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ గివెన్ ఎక్స్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ఈచ్ కేస్ ఆర్ ద జీరోస్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఆఫ్ ద పాలినామియల్. అంటే అక్కడ ఇచ్చినవి జీరోస్ అవుతాయా కాదా. ఇంత ప్రాబ్లం మనం చేసామండి. ఒక ప్రాబ్లంలో ఫస్ట్ చేసిన ప్రాబ్లంలో 2 వాల్యూస్కి జీరోస్ రాలా, థర్డ్ వాల్యూకి జీరో వచ్చింది. అంటే ఫస్ట్ 2 వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ నాట్ ద జీరోస్, థర్డ్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ద జీరోస్. ఆ విధంగా 1, 2, 3, 4 రోమన్స్ జాగ్రత్తగా చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, టుమారో హాలిడే కాబట్టి కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా చేయండి. ఏదన్నా ప్రాబ్లం రాకపోతే నాకు కాల్ చేయండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, బాయ్.